Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily allow notes on your Instagram posts and Reels. It's quite simple, interesting, and easy, so make sure to watch the entire video so you don't make a single mistake. First, let's open the Instagram app. Next, tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then the three lines at the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. Once you're on this page, scroll down a bit. Tap on Sharing and Remixes. On this page, you'll find an option for Allow Notes and Notes on Posts and Reels. Make sure this option is toggled on, and people will be able to add notes to your Instagram posts and Reels. That's it! Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!